What we found is that in locations that have healthy shark populations, like the Rolly Shoals, the fish there actually look different than the fish that are in places that have been historically overexploited for sharks through centuries. And specifically, where sharks are still present, fish that are potentially a meal have bigger eyes so that they can see who's coming in, and bigger tails so that they can have quick burst speed to get away faster. Where we've removed sharks, now that sounds like a good thing for those fish, but is that a good thing for the ecosystem as a whole? And part of that challenge is that if those fish are then released from predation and are more effective and more abundant, they will have knock-on effects on the small fish, what I like to call the janitor fish. And those are the species that actually take care of the coral reefs. So if we get this increase in these mid-sized predators, that has negative impacts lower down the food chain, and that has negative impacts on coral reefs. So really, in order to understand how fishing is affecting our oceans generally, we need to make sure that we've got areas that we put aside and protect, and that we can then use them as labs where we can actually start to understand, and then we can make more informed decisions about whether we think that that's a good option or not.